everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make gbegiri in instant pot. Yes, instant pot. This full recipe. So first of all, you want your beans, which I'm just peeling here with my food processor. You can peel it by hand. Definitely give it a good wash, and the goal of this process is really just to remove for us from the beans. Once your beans is all cleaned, you are good to move on to the next process, which is making the gbegiri. So as you can see, I'm pouring this in my instant pot with some water. I'm adding in some chopped onions and some crayfish or red prawns. I'm going to cook it for 20 minutes using the beans function, and then I'm just using my handy dandy hand blender to give it a good blend. Salt and Maggi, and then hot palm oil. In this process, I typically would have the instant pot from the saute function. And then guys, see, this is the easiest gbegiri you will make. Add, whatever other spices you want, pepper, Maggi, salt, all of that, crayfish, and your gbegiri is ready. Simple as ABC.